What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm sorry if it's dark in here, but it is an annoyingly typical day here in Scotland. It's grey, it's raining, but we are on our way to Knockhill Racing Circuit for the final meeting of the Scottish Motor Racing Club, where we are going to be checking out a couple of the Fiestas, because if you guys don't know, we have a Fiesta project and we are going to be building it to the same spec that they race at Knockhill, which is the Scottish Fiesta Championship, I believe. But anyway, we're going to get a quick look at them, kind of see what kind of spec we need to build our Fiesta to. Though my dad has actually hired one for this event. He's doing like an arrive and drive sort of thing. And I'm looking forward to getting a better look at them, hopefully get some GoPro footage from inside the car. Yeah, it's going to be pretty awesome. So the problem with Knockhill is it's got two weather conditions. It's either absolutely roasting hot or it's absolutely freezing cold. So no matter what time of year you come, a jacket or two and a hat is always a must. So if you've never been, jacket, hat, probably boots as well. It's Scotland. We're gonna go find my dad, the Fiesta he's driving, and have a quick look around it. Here's the Fiesta in question. So from the outside, looks pretty standard. It has 15-inch Team Dynamic alloys on it with semi-slick Yokohama tyres, but when we get to the inside, things get quite interesting. So we've got a OMP steering wheel here with a snap-off boss, a full wheeled-in 6-point roll cage. Down on the floor here we have a fire extinguisher plumbed in and a very small battery. You can see the electrical cut-off and the extinguisher button on the dashboard there. We also have some nice fiberglass door cards on here, which I think we're going to invest in. But yeah, this is pretty much what we need. Oh, I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's fucking freezing. Oh, so we've had one race so far. We've had one race so far. Just finished lunch, coming round to the next race. Excuse me if I'm not filming a lot. As I said, it's cold, it's wet, I don't want the camera getting soaked.